Okay, if you could just
Okay.
just for the camera, tell us who you are and what company you're.
Okay, my name is CamilleBaldock. I am a software developer for Softwire, and we're a London-based bespoke software development company. But I'll do a bit of agenda pushing here. We've just been voted best small software company to work for in the UK by the Times, so it's a great place to work for. I'm here because I'm personally quite interested in mobile, and I do a lot of mobile work at Softwire. And we're just generally interested to, have a look at what's going on in the community, see how we can give back, have a feel of what's going on, find contributors and people we can work with in general.
Okay, were there any kind of specific partnerships you were looking for?
I was looking for some projects specifically personally, but as a company, I think we're just looking for pretty much anything that, will be interesting to work with, and, any ideas that will change something in the community in the next years we're definitely interested in. Anything that is sort of UK based and that we can take part in, I think is always a good thing.
And anything that's arisen in the past couple of days that's interested you in particular?
Actually several things. I really loved the Suki project, which I thought was a really, really interesting way of tackling a quite important, let's say, political issue. But other than that, I have, this is the kind of place where you kind of give your card and hope to meet up with quite a few people who have good ideas about, where things are going to go, about usability. And there's a couple of projects here that I would be very happy to work with or recommend to, Softwire customers. So good experience overall.
Great. And if you could tell me in kind of more general terms about the mashup between academia and business and what benefits that can bring.
I'm a bit sort of still trying to discover how to move from academia to business. I think I'm not used to being a business person in an academic background like here, but I think we have a lot to learn from each other, and unfortunately we have sort of very different approaches and we don't see things in the same way, and there's maybe a tendency for academia to shun business because we're very profit driven, because we have to, and for us to shun academia because it's just too slow, because the programs are not actually publishable in the real world. So I think that we have a lot to learn, and it's a very, very good initiative that they have here to bring these people together and see what happens.
Brilliant.